This is the ID GAMAX C50 machine for the personalization of key rings. The machine is equipped with two functions. On the one hand, cutting the paper with which you can personalize your items, and, on the other hand, assembling the various advertising objects that we offer you. Key rings, pins, lanyards, name tags, photo and office accessories. To begin, place the cutting base on a round nylon plate that will only be used when using the cutting dies. Then screw the handle onto the machine as shown in the picture. There are two types of cutting dies: UC cutting dies and MC cutting dies. The UC dies are the simplest and allow you to cut 4 or 5 papers at a time. We recommend using a paper weight between 80 and 120 grams for a precise cut. To place the dies, first remove the nylon base to be able to fix them easily on the top of the C50. Insert the die and tighten it until it is secure. Then replace the nylon cutting base. Your machine is now ready to cut. Place the papers between the nylon base and the die. Pull the lever to proceed with the cut. The die or MC is placed by sliding it into the C50 machine until it fits into the semicircular groove. A small amount of pressure on the upper part is necessary for a proper fit and to bridge the height difference. The dies or MC are cutting tools that allow you to visualize your logo or image perfectly and thus to cut the paper more precisely. Attention! With these dies you can only cut one paper at a time. You can easily change them and repeat the process with a different die to cut another size or shape of paper. Once the papers have been cut, they are ready to be placed on the key rings. To assemble the metal key rings, we will use the assembly tools. They are made up of two elements: the push button, which is fixed to the top of the machine by fastening it with the side thread, and the mounting base, which is placed on the base of the machine. We remind you that to assemble a metal key ring, you will need metal pockets, magnifying glasses, and paper. To assemble the products, place the printed and cut paper in the key ring drawer, and then place the magnifying glass. Remember that the magnifying glass has a flat side that should be placed on the inside of the key ring, and a bulbous side that will be on the outside of the key ring. Lower the handle until the magnifying glass is fully inserted into the pocket. We can change the assembly tools by repeating the action and thus assemble different models quickly and easily. We continue with the same procedure once again. We place the paper in the key ring and press the magnifying glass with the assembly tool. Easy and simple. Now we will see how to mount a UV magnifying glass already printed on a metal key ring. To mount acrylic key rings, you will need acrylic boxes and paper. We will use the C50 machine to cut the paper, but the assembly is done manually by pressing the magnifying glass inside the box with your fingers. An experienced assembler can personalize up to a total of more than 250 key rings per hour with the C50 machine. A wide variety of metal and acrylic key rings, pins, name tags and many more items can be personalized very easily using a simple paper printed with the ID GAMAX system. Remember that you can download templates to personalize your designs and check out all the promotional gift options available on our website www.idgamax.com.